Good morning, traders. Richard Miller here doing an Ichimoku cloud chart market update for December on the NASDAQ 100. Well, what an eventful couple of weeks it's been trading the NASDAQ. We've got a nice double bottom breakout in the NASDAQ. It's navigating these old highs now to see if it's going to get past these levels there. It's a critical week ahead for the NASDAQ this week and next week to have a sustained high volume breakout beyond these old highs of September. Now, you can see another nice double bottom here. We had a fantastic rebound trade in September from these support levels here, back up to cloud extension, then market sold off, sliced through the bottom end of the cloud. A little bit of a risk there, a bit of a risky time. We had the front end of the cloud here, but the cloud chart showed the 11,081 zone as a support level. The NASDAQ then rebounded from that level, broke through the bottom end of the cloud. Let me just make this bigger. Yeah, so this was the support level. The market rebounded from there, gap right through the bottom end cloud chart resistance. And another gap, huge gap, so closed that gap. We were a bit concerned about that gap, but the market was a bit extended at the time. And then managed to rebound from the standard line, which is pretty close to the front end cloud chart support level. It's this 11,563. So that's kind of the line in the sand for the quarter, so to speak. Market should not go below this. Then we're going to a bear market territory. But price actions above the cloud, so that's bullish from an Ichimoku cloud chart market perspective. Here's the double bottom in the base. And now it's broken out of this kind of base, and now it's testing the old high here for a continued rally. Key levels to watch out for support now is the front end of the cloud here, as well as the standard line here of 11,620, 11,600 key level. And then the turning line, that is the next level of support here. Watch out for 12,163 is a new support level, so stop losses should be below that level at least. But yeah, so looking for that continued follow-through breakout in the NASDAQ for it to go higher. That's the catalyst we're looking for. Needs to take out that high with significant volume, and then we're off to a Q4 year-end rally. On the weekly basis, a little bit extended from the cloud. You can see the distance between the top of the price action and the cloud. Every time the market becomes quite extended, it pulls back. So just be aware of that there is downside risk based on the weekly chart. Weekly cloud chart support levels, 11,361 is the major front cloud support level, so watch out for that zone on the weekly cloud. Back to the 4-hour chart, which is more from our swing traders perspective. We can see we had a nice, fantastic rebound here beginning in November. Huge rally, then the pullback. Very similar chart to the daily one with gaps included. So this gap closed, then the market rebounded from the standard line here and the front cloud support level. So that was a kind of a line in the sand on the 4-hour chart. 11,614 is a significant support level, and that's also kind of a line in the sand for the NASDAQ in terms of support. So rebounded from that level, closed that gap. Not sure when this gap's going to close, at some point, probably early part of next year when we have a brief correction. So then we grind higher. Then the other secondary entry level here was this support zone here. Once again, the standard line acting as support, and now the new level for the standard line support is up here at 12,151. So if you swing trading this, your stop losses should be below that level. But first stop, if we don't get that breakout, will probably be a test of 12,291, and then the front end of the cloud here at 12,226, and then the standard line here at 12,147. So these are the levels to watch out for. Let me just draw a horizontal array. So there we go. These are the levels to watch out for. So there we go. So those are the front zones to be aware of, potential support levels to come in, as well as the front end of the cloud here at 12,219. But so far so good. The year-end rally is still grinding higher with some brief, normal kind of pullbacks and consolidation periods, but we are testing this old high for the NASDAQ, so that's an important milestone to get past with a big volume spike. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.